Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change ChatGPT font style into your ChatGPT. It's a very simple process. Just follow my steps very carefully. We need to add an extension called Stylus extension, and then going to go for the first website. So click on that. After here, you'll see the Stylus. So click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. After clicking on it, as you can see right now, Stylus is rightly added into our Google Chrome. And here is the Stylus. So if you click on that, you can write new style. So after that, here you can see there is an option called settings. So click on that. What you have to do here, you'll find a lots of options. So we will going to close them everything. And right now we're going to click on this add button. So after clicking on add style, we're going to copy here the import URL over here. We're going to copy it. I'm going to paste it over here like this. And after that, we can simply click on save and now click on beautify. Now if we come over into our ChatGPT, as you can see that the font style has been changed over here. As you can see, all are set into pop-ins. So this is how we can simply change the font style in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.